You'll sometimes hear about the rule of 72, which in a nutshell is you're supposed to take 72, divide by your interest rate, and that's supposed to give you approximately how many years it will take you to double your money. Well, let's take a look at where this rule of 72 comes from, and maybe we can get a more accurate representation of it. The idea here is we've got our compound interest formula that $1 at I per annum t at t time would be worth 1 plus I to the power of t. So if I want that to double, now I just have to solve for t in terms of I. I'm going to take the ln of both sides. The ln of 2 is equal to, the t comes down, which is why I would take the ln in the first place, ln of 1 plus I. And so ln of 2 divided by the ln of 1 plus I is equal to the doubling time. Let's say the times 2, the doubling time. Well, that's the exact formula then. But something to make note of, if I were to take the Taylor expansion of the function ln of 1 plus x, I'll expand it about 0. I'll get x minus 1/2 x squared plus 1/3 x cubed plus ... All of this stuff here we just deem as too small because we're talking about interest rates. So I'm going to approximate the ln of 1 plus I on the denominator with just I. So I've got ln of 2 divided by I. There's our first approximation, doubling time. Now, ln of 2 is like 0.69 and change. Again, another approximation because 0.69 is a number that not a lot of things divide into. They replaced that with 0.72 because it's a friendlier number. And then if we express or we multiply top and bottom by 100, we'll get our 72 divided by the interest rate, but this time the interest rate, like 8%, we won't write 0.08, we'll just write as 8. And that'll be doubling time. So our doubling time is 72 divided by our interest rate, where our interest rate is expressed as a whole number. So that means if you're getting 10% return, you should expect to double your money in about 7 years, 7.2 years. If it's a regular savings account, so you're getting 0.25%, 72 divided by 0.25% would mean that with this bank account, you'd have to wait 288 years to double your money.